Have you ever experienced uncomfortable, unrelenting bloating or digestive issues that just won't go away? I know I have, but don't worry. Today I'm going to share my journey to healing my gut and some valuable tips that can help you too. It all started a few years ago when I couldn't enjoy a meal without feeling bloated and uncomfortable. It was affecting my daily life and my confidence. I knew I had to find a solution. But before we dive into the tips, remember, your health is precious, and it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional first. I started by talking to my doctor, and you should too. After seeking medical advice, I embarked on a journey of self-discovery and healing. And today, I want to share what worked for me. Tip 1. Balanced diet. A healthy gut starts with what you eat. I'll show you how I incorporate fiber, probiotics, and prebiotics into my meals and how you can too. Start your day with a high-fiber cereal or oatmeal. Snack on fresh fruits, and choose whole grain options for pasta and bread. Add vegetables to your meals, and consider beans and legumes as side dishes. Include probiotic-rich foods in your daily diet. Enjoy a serving of yogurt with live and active cultures, or try kombucha as a beverage option. Be consistent in consuming these items. Incorporate prebiotic-rich foods into your meals. Use garlic and onions as flavor enhancers in your cooking. Snack on bananas and include asparagus in your salads. Tip number 2, stress management. Gut health is closely linked to stress. Lowering stress can indirectly benefit your gut by preventing disruptions in gut function caused by stress hormones. Some relaxation techniques that made a world of difference for me are meditation, deep breathing, and yoga can help reduce stress levels. These practices allowed me to unwind and release the tension that had gripped my body for so long. After just 2 weeks of consistent stress management, something incredible happened to me. My gut began to transform. The bloating reduced and my digestion improved significantly. It was as if my gut was thanking me for finally taking care of my mental well-being. Tip number 3, avoiding triggers. Certain foods can worsen bloating. I'll guide you through identifying and avoiding these triggers. On my journey, I delved into the vast sea of knowledge to understand what foods were known to trigger bloating. I discovered that some common culprits included beans, lentils, broccoli, and carbonated drinks. Armed with this newfound wisdom, I began my experiment. I decided to eliminate these trigger foods from my diet one by one, starting with beans and lentils. The first few days were challenging as I had to find alternative sources of protein and fiber. But gradually I noticed a significant change. My bloating reduced and I felt lighter and more energetic. Next on my list were cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower. I substituted them with gentler options like zucchini and spinach. Again, the results were astounding. My stomach was no longer a battleground of gassy discomfort. Carbonated drinks and soda were the final challenge. I bid farewell to fizzy beverages and embraced herbal teas and plain water. The transformation was complete. My belly was no longer a source of distress, and I had successfully banished the bloat. My journey to identifying and avoiding trigger foods had not only improved my gut health, but also enhanced my overall well-being. It was a testament to the power of knowledge and determination. So, my bloaty friends, embark on your journey of discovery. Identify those trigger foods that trouble your gut, and with patience and perseverance, you can bid farewell to bloating and embrace a healthier, happier you. Home remedies. I'll share some DIY remedies that have personally helped me soothe my gut and improve digestion. First up, ginger tea. Ginger has incredible digestive benefits. It helps reduce inflammation, soothes the gastrointestinal tract, and aids in digestion. I love starting my day with a warm cup of ginger tea. To make it, simply slice fresh ginger and steep it in hot water. You can add a touch of honey for some sweetness. It's not only delicious, but also incredibly soothing for your gut. Next, let's talk about yogurt. Yogurt is packed with probiotics, the good bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome. I include a serving of yogurt in my daily routine. Choose plain, unsweetened yogurt for the best results. You can even top it with some fresh berries for added flavor and fiber, which further aids digestion. Now here's a powerful one, apple cider vinegar. It helps increase stomach acid production, which can alleviate indigestion. I take a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar mixed with water before meals. Remember to dilute it, as it's quite potent. It might take some getting used to, but the results are worth it. So there you have it, my journey to healing my gut and these valuable tips that have made a real impact on my life. But remember, always consult with your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Your health should always come first. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care of your gut and take care of yourself.